bandwagon effect. I don't know if you've heard about this, but this is actually insane. You're being influenced on a daily basis. You've all heard that social proof is king when just starting out your business. Not just starting out, but all the time. Social proof is much more worth than money. Now, but you're actually being influenced on a daily basis by it. Have you ever noticed that when you walk between two restaurants, one is empty, one is full, where are you gonna go? You're gonna go to the full restaurant because people might know something that you don't. And then you're being influenced by social proof. And there's a lot of examples. And that exactly is called the bandwagon effect. And that is why social proof works the way it works, because you understand. You don't have to think about the product or service yourself. People have done it, people have told everyone about it, and that's why you buy into that. Psychologically, it's easier for you to just make a decision because of social proof.